I'm David Pasha. I have sponsored this program for you to learn.
Hello viewers, my name is Mishek Maundu. In today's lesson, we're going to look at gender and sex laws under social studies. Sex laws are work that can be done or performed by males or females only. For example, a woman getting pregnant, a woman breastfeeding babies, men makes women pregnant. Gender laws are work that can be done by both males and females. For example, man or woman can cook, can wash, and can sweep. Gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is unfair treatment based on whether someone is male or female. This often happens when people think that women are less important than men. Traditionally, women are not allowed to own land. The men in the family own the land on which the women grow the food. Traditionally, communities accepted that men could beat women. This is called gender-based violence. In Zambia today, gender-based violence is forbidden. Institution that promotes gender equality. Number 1, Women for Change, WFC in brackets. This institution helps women to find ways to live a better life. The second one is National Legal Clinic for Women. It advises women about what is right and what is wrong. The third one is National Women's Law Group. It's a Zambian organization that works to get more women elected to the Zambian government. Gender equality means that women and men have the same rights and privileges. Human rights. A citizen is the member of the country, society, or country. Zambians are the citizens of Zambia. Human rights are freedoms which every citizen should enjoy. Examples of human rights are rights to life. Nobody may kill another person. Rights to food. Everyone should have food to eat. Rights to education. Every child has the right to go to school and to learn. Political violations. Examples of political violations are when a government does not allow people to criticize it. Sometimes people are put in jail because of their opinions. Also, citizens are not allowed to vote for their own government. Only one political is allowed to exist. Violation of children's rights. When children's rights are taken away from them, we call it child abuse. For example, child abuse is when a child is used to have sex. Also, a child has to leave home because of the family cannot or do not want to look after him or her. Factors that hinder citizens from enjoying their rights. Number 1, poverty, corruption, and poor leadership, ignorance, conflict. Organization that promotes human rights. Amnesty International. Its job is to tell the world about countries where people's human rights are abused or violated. Human Rights Watch is a world organization that tries to prevent discrimination. Under this, we have Red Cross. Red Cross protects people's rights and medical care, food and shelter. Remember, a government institution that protects human rights is the Human Rights Commission. Organizations that work outside the government to improve other people's lives are called civil society. One of the examples of civil society is the Foundation for Democracy process. The following are some of the questions concerning what we've discussed. Question 1. What do we call the laws that can be done by both females and male? What do we call the laws that can be done by both males and females? Name one civil society or NGO that promotes gender equality. Name one civil society or NGO that promotes gender equality. The government institution that promotes human rights is The government institution that promotes human rights is a woman getting pregnant is one of the dash laws. A woman getting pregnant is one of the dash laws. Freedoms which every citizen should enjoy are known as freedoms which every citizen should enjoy are known as. Mention 2 factors that hinder citizens from enjoying their rights. Mention 2 factors that hinder citizens from enjoying their rights. Explain what gender equality means. Explain what gender equality means. Name one of the government institutions where gender-based violence cases can be reported to. Name one of the government institutions where gender-based violence can be reported to. Thank you so much. This is the end of our lesson for today.